Hey guys, this is Fireworks Level 1 and this is the latest update on my fireworks stash. Now you guys might be thinking, this guy has so many updates on his fireworks stash, but that's just because I saw lots of different fireworks and I just went and bought them. So we'll skip that and we'll get right to the fireworks. So, as you can see, there's this little stuff in there. I'm gonna start with the biggest in here. Okay, so first I bought these parachutes, which I told you about in my last video. So next, I bought sunflowers. Inside there's a few things that look like butterflies, but they are not butterflies. So what it does is spins on the ground as fast as possible and flies. So I'm gonna put that aside. Wait. Okay. Next. Oops, something fell away. Next, I got these. I don't know what it is, but inside they look like these. Okay, they look like circular. They look like rings. What this does is they spin on the ground. Alright. And they crackle. These are a very good deal. I don't know how much they are, I just bought them. So that's all. I'm gonna put that aside. Now I'm gonna bring out some other stuff. These are bees. Like I showed you in my previous the video of my remaining fireworks stash for 2011. I showed you the bee. I'm not sure if I showed you that, but I think I showed you the bee. And this is pretty much it. It does the same thing like this one, sunflower, but it crackles after that, and it makes a whistling sound. And I got 2 of these. And they're very nice. I don't know how much all these things cost. Wait. Okay, I don't know how much these things cost, but they are quite cool. I saw them at different places, so I got these from a shop that I saw near the coffee shop that I saw. Then I got these near the parking lot, which I went to park my car to have dinner. And these are all from the night market, which I saw again. So that's all. These things cost around $15 or $16. This, in my previous video I showed you that was $2.50. It is. So these are quite cheap, except for this. This thing is very expensive. It says RM8, 8 Malaysian ringgit. So that's all. This is Fireworks Lover signing off. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.